Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So sa mga bago po dyan, ako po ulit si Maria, an OFW who's working here in Gambia, West Africa. Guys, bali nasa site na pala tayo nito. Hindi na ako nakapag-video sa bahay hanggang papunta dito. Bali may mga sinasabay din kasi akong workers guys, tsaka isang engineer. Para ba hindi na sila mamasahe. So, di lang ako nakapag-video guys kasi nga hindi rin sila komportable sa camera. So, I leave it like that. Dito na lang ako start mag-video. So guys, pala hindi ako nakapag-almusal. Kain tayo guys. Guys, dito pala sa Gambia, may tinatawag silang tapalapa, yung matigas na bread. Tsaka yung ganito guys. Tawag nila dito sweet bread. Yung tapalapa guys, $10 is. Pero yung mga ganito guys, nasa $20 to $25 is each. Pero wala siyang palaman guys, plain lang siya na bread. So guys, nag-iikot-ikot lang tayo dito sa PV area. Ne-check lang natin yung site tsaka yung patrabaho. Guys, see our panels, so they are clean. So tatanungin natin yung mga tropa ko guys kung okay lang sila. Guys pala, natuto ako ng konting mga salita sa language nila. So, tatanungin natin sila based sa language nila. I'm fine. Ay, Dadu?
Alhamdulillah.
Ay, Dadu, fine.
Yeah.
Salo sign. So guys, tatanungin naman natin si Podey. Ayun siya, oh, naglilinis. Ayun. Nakakatuwa naman yung mga workers ko guys, masisipag sila. Working on target sila, so maaga silang natatapos. After nilang matapos trabaho, uwian na. Podey, ay Dadu.
Can go do.
You do fine?
You do fine here.
See, Podey is sweating because it's hot.
Like.
Bilay. Guys, diba from ano sila? From Sierra Leone. And yung English nila broken English. Thank you nila guys, thank you. Tas yung tomorrow, tomara. Like that. Guys, okay naman yung mga tropa ko. Okay din naman yung trabaho. Siyempre, 'di ba, from time to time kailangan mo pa rin talagang i-check yung patrabaho tsaka yung mga tao. Guys, bumalik na pala ako sa operation room namin. So, dito pala sa room na to makikita mo yung data and makokontrol mo yung system. Waalaikumsalam. Ay, Dadu. That is Papi's son. Guys, dinala na ni Papi yung pamilya niya dito, guys.
You make my head nice.
Show the people.
Yeah.
Ay, Dadu, Papi.
Ma?
Ay, Dadu.
Ada security gate ma.
Papi has...
Yes, this one tolong. This one is tolong. Yes, tolong.
Papi shave his head.
Yes, today. Yes, because I'm an
Today?
old pa. Ma?
Today?
Today, no, this boy make it nice for me. I'm an old papi.
Old Papi.
Yeah, I'm an old papi.
Papi.
Yes,
Greet
ma.
the people, Papi.
How are you? How are you? How are you? My brothers, how are you? My people, how are you? I live with my missus. I salute my missus. This is my missus.
Papi, tell them that right now you are the security of the gate.
The gates, yes, ma. Hello, that country is fine. I'm the security of these gates. I deal with
Yeah.
my missus. My missus, they control me here. How are you? How are you? How are you? This is our boss.
Oh, thank you, Papi.
Yeah, thank you, ma. Thank you, ma, missus. Barka, barka, ma.
Barka,
May
barka,
God
ma.
bless you more, inshallah. Yeah, hey, missus. Nimbara, nimbara, nimbara. This country is the language, nimbara, nimbara. They
Yeah.
said, how are you? How are you?
Mhm.
Good.
Thank you, Papi.
Yes, ma. Thank you, ma.
Guys, kung natatandaan niyo si Wisdom, yung security namin, naka-leave siya. So, in replacement of him for the meantime, si Papi muna yung security dito sa gate. So, di ba nga guys, mga Sierra-Leonean sila, hindi sila local dito, hindi sila Gambian. So, binigyan sila ng company ng 2 weeks holiday in a year. So, except pa yun guys, sa Sunday na pahinga nila. So, ayan pala yung site ko guys. Guys, tapos na yung tropa kong maglinis ng panel. James! Ay, Dadu! Papahinga na lang yung tropa ko. Say hi to the people.
Hi.
Where's your girlfriend?
Not our girlfriend.
No girlfriend now. You know, James, he just came from his leave. How's your leave?
My leave was fine.
Mm. So, you have how many weeks leave?
I have 2 weeks leave. Yeah.
2 weeks leave.
Yeah.
Mm. So, they are alternating with their leave, guys. So, the work will not suffer here in the plant, right?
Yeah.
But your leave is paid or not?
It's paid.
It's paid. So, it's good.
Yeah, it's good.
For today's video, may sasabihin po ko sa inyong good news. So, guys, yung family ko po, nag-start po kami ng travel agency. And bago lang po siya. So, salamat po sa mga tao na nagsusupport po, nakikiselebrate with us. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Guys, the way you support me in YouTube, please po makisupport nyo rin po yung page ng GoBody Travel and Tours. And meron din po kaming website na gobodytravelandtours.com. So, pwede po kayong mag-book doon. Pwede po kayong magpa-quote, magpa-assist po. So, feel free po to message us, to inquire. Ilalagay ko na lang po yung link sa comment section. So, guys, sa mga subscribers ko po dyan, so, magpabook na po kayo sa GoBody Travel and Tours. Bibigyan po namin kayo ng discount and we'll give you the cheapest offer and the quality service. So guys pala, GoBody Travel and Tours offers domestic flights, international flights and visa assistance po. Yung mga holiday package like that, kung gusto niyo pong magbakasyon out of the country or just national, just domestic, you can inquire. Po pala sa mga OFW na gustong mag-business pero hindi nyo po alam yung business na gusto nyong simulan, baka po gusto nyo rin mag-start ng travel agency, pwede nyo po kong i-message and i-recommend ko po kayo sa mother travel agency po namin. And sa mga gusto po ng extra income, kung gusto nyo pong mag-agent sa amin, feel free to message us also po. So, maraming salamat guys. Sana po i-recommend nyo yung GoBody Travel and Tours and makapagpabook po kayo sa amin. Guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Always remember, don't forget that you are amazing and GoBody Travel and Tours. Bye-bye!